Hello viewers, here is a Lasko fan. This is a relatively newer model. It looks like it's probably 12 inches and the model number is unknown. Oh, here we go. It's written in white on white. It looks like it says models 2022 or 2027. I believe this is still manufactured. I think the cord is supposed to go through here, but it's not. I'm not worried about that right now. It draws 0.35 amps, which is not very much. And it looks like it was made in January of 2015. So it's about 5 years old at this point. And it looks like it may be okay. The blade is seemingly decent. It's got a good amount of pitch to it, and it looks pretty sturdy. And the motor looks relatively large. So, while I'm not particularly confident in anything made in China, I have reasonable hopes for this product. I don't know what these retail for. I think they're still under manufacture. At least I've seen them in the stores recently. Alright, let's plug it up and see how it works. Start off on 1. Huh. That's pathetic. Oh man. It's hardly even moving. You gotta be joking. That can't be right. That's ridiculous. Let's see if 2 is any better. Nope, not really. This isn't even the low on like any reasonable fan. At least it's moving some air now. Let's see if 3 is any better. Okay, now at least it's doing something. And this is about the low on a decent fan. Maybe the bearings are just stiff. Let's see. They're a little stiff, but not particularly. I wonder if maybe the capacitor is drifted, because that doesn't seem right. Now let's see if it oscillates. This switch is not designed very well because there's no texture or anything to that plastic. There's nothing to grab onto. I don't think that can't be right. It's going so slow, it's ridiculous. Now I like slow, quiet lows, but this is like not even useful. Well, it works. There's none of the quotes in the world to put around that. There's obviously something wrong with it, unless it's just a piece of junk. That I suppose that possibility exists. Okay, China. That's what we have here. I guess the bearings are kind of stiff. Well, we'll take it apart and see if I can make it work any better.